How to fix slow Shopify store speed, step-by-step optimization. Follow the instructions. Choose a fast, lightweight theme with clean, optimized code. Optimize and compress images to reduce load times. Limit the number of apps and remove unused ones. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML for smaller file sizes. Use lazy loading for images and videos to improve page speed. Leverage browser caching to store static files locally. Use a content delivery network for faster global asset delivery. Reduce the number of server requests by merging files. Preload critical resources like main CSS and fonts. Limit the use of high-resolution images and large files. Regularly test and monitor speed with tools like PageSpeed Insights. Optimize checkout and cart pages for quicker load times. Thank you for watching.